My dear students, I am going to take the topic fractions. Fractions are very important in mathematics. We have to make all the operations on fractions. What are fractions? Fractions are 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 7 by 9, and so on. All the fractions have numerator and denominator you see here. And in rational number is also numerator and denominator p by q form. A rational number which can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integer and q is not equal to 0. This is the definition of rational number. So fractions and rational numbers are same. Fractions are rational numbers. Now I'm going to take all the operations, addition, subtractions, and multiplication, division on of fractions. Now I'm taking first addition of fractions. Question number first, 4 by 5 and 1 by 5. These are two fractions. We have to add. So take the LCM of these two fractions. First of all, my dear student, I want to make clear to you these fractions are in proper form. When the fractions are in proper form, there is no need to make any operation. Now take LCM because denominator of both the fraction is same 5. LCM is 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 5. That is 1. Very simple. Second question, 2 1 by 3, 3 1 by 5. These are the complex fractions. These fractions are not in proper form. We have to make these fractions in proper form. How will you make? You have to multiply 2 into 3, 6, add 1, 7 by 3. Again, 3 into 5, 15, add 1, 16 by 5. So 7 by 3 plus 16 by 5. These two fractions are in proper form. Now add these fractions. LCM is 3 into 5. Write down in the same 3 into 5. Now 7 will be multiplied by 5 because 3 is under the 7. So we have to leave the 7 in plus in second. 16 will be multiplied by 3 because 5 is under 16. We have to leave the 5. So multiply the 7 by 5. 7 into 5, 35. 16 into 3, 48. Upon 3 into 5, 15. Add these two numbers, 83 by 15. This is the answer. My dear student, these are the two examples, two questions in which we have to find out the addition. We have to find out the sum of these expressions. So this is the method of finding sum. So now I am taking subtraction. Remove this and now subtraction. Second topic, subtraction. Subtraction of fractions. Subtractions of fractions. Now, question first. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. My dear students, these are the two fractions. This is also a simple fraction. This is also a simple fraction. You can say proper fraction. How will you subtract? Take LCM. LCM is 5 because denominator of both the fractions is same. So 5 is LCM. Write down 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 5. This is the answer. Now question number second. Question number second, in which 1 2 by 3 minus 1 3 by 5. This is, these are two fractions, but these two fractions are complex fractions. We have to make these fractions proper. Then we have to subtract. Make proper. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Minus 5 into 1, 6. 5 into 1, 5. And plus 3, 8. Minus 5. Here, again, make this fraction proper. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3. Again, 1 into 5, 5. Plus 3, 8 by 5. We have to take the LCM. This is the LCM, my dear student. Now, 8 into, here 3, you have to take 5. Minus 8 into, here 5, you have to take 3. Now multiply 8 into 5, 40. Minus 8 into 3, 24. Upon, multiply this LCM also, 15. My dear students, 40 minus 24 is equal to 16 upon 5. This is the answer. So here in subtraction, these two fractions are simple. This is the simple subtraction. Now these two fractions are complex. First of all, before subtraction, you have to change these fractions into proper form. And you know very well how to change these fractions into proper. You have seen in addition, and in subtraction I have also taught you that 2 into 3 plus 2, 1 into 5 plus 3. This is the method. Now I am taking multiplication. Multiplication. Third, multiplication of fraction. Multiplications of fractions. Here, my dear student, question number 1. See, 1 by 2 by 3 into 5 by 9. These are the two fractions. These fractions are simple fractions. And we have to find out the multiplication of these two fractions. Listen to me very carefully. When you want to multiply these fractions, you have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Here, 5 into 2, 2 into 5 upon 3 into 9 is equal to 10 upon 27. 9 3s are 27, 5 2s are 10. This is the answer. Question number second. My dear students, 3 1 by 5 into 2 1 by 7. These are the two complex fractions. We have to make these fractions in proper form. How will we make? We have made in addition and subtraction, and here you also see 3 into 5, 15, add 1, 16 by 5, into 2 into 7, 14, add 1, 15 upon 7. Multiply these, because these fractions are in proper form. 16 into 15 upon 5 into 7. Here, my dear students, as in the first question, I have told you that in multiplication, you have to multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Here 16 with the 15 and 5 into 7. 16 into 16 5s are 80. 8. 16 1s are 16 2 4 upon 5 7s are 35. Now you have to make it a simple. You can 5 7s are and 5 5 4s are and 8s are. You have to divide numerator and denominator both by 5. 5 4s are 20, 4 remains 0, 5 8s are 40 and 5 7s are. Answer is 48 by 7. This is the multiplication of complex fractions. Now, my dear students, now I am taking division of fractions. Fourth, division of fractions. Division of fractions. See here, question number first. Division. 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 7. These are the two simple fractions, and these fractions are in proper form. And in division, one thing note here. This division is same as multiplication. You have to change this division into multiplication. And what is the condition? You have to invert this second fraction. It means you have to change numerator as a denominator and denominator as numerator. Here, this is the denominator, it becomes numerator, and this is numerator, it becomes denominator. So now you can multiply 3 into 7 upon 5 into 2, 21 upon 10. This is the division, and this division is, you can say, semi multiplication. You can say division, only you have to change the sign and change the second fraction, and after this is the totally multiplication. Now question number second. 3 1 by 7 divided by 4 2 by 9. Now make these fractions are not simple, not in proper form. First of all, you have to convert these in proper form. How will you convert? 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 1, 22 upon 7 divided by 4 nines are 36 plus 2, 38 upon 9. Now again 22 by 7 into, change this sign and this invert, find out the inverse, invert this 9 upon 38. You have to change the second fraction. Make the numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. Now my dear students, you have to multiply this. This becomes the multiplication. Now 9 2s are 18, 1, 9 2s are 18 and 1 19 upon 7 8s are 56, 5, 7 3s are 21, 5 26, and you have to simplify this by 2. 2 8s are 2 9s are, oh sorry, 2 9s are 18 1, 2 9s are. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 2 3s are. This means 99 upon 133, and 3, this 3, no, not, this fraction cannot be made more simple. So this is the answer. This is the answer. My dear students, we have taken all parts of this fraction, all operation of this fraction. What are the operations? That is the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have taken 2 questions on each part. So you have seen how these fractions are added, how these fractions are subtracted, and how these fractions are multiplied, and how these fractions are divided. And we have taken simple fractions as well as complex fraction. Complex fractions, how you change these complex into proper, you have seen the method. So my dear students, in the last, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.